Alright guys, it's your boy again. I'm about to show y'all how to clean a catfish in under a minute. Now there's many different ways to clean catfish. One of the ways I like to do is to skin it. One of the things you notice is I don't have any fancy knife. I'm just going to take my pocket knife. And I want to get right behind this dorsal fin at the top. And I just want to press that knife in there. Not cutting into the meat, but just getting in between the skin. Getting in between the skin. Look, I just want to make it like a little slit. See how that knife coming out that skin? In between the skin. Far as down as I could. In between that skin, just a little slit, guys. In between the skin, try not to cut into the meat. And like I said, man, I'm using like a little field knife. Once I have my little slits in there, I'm just going to take either a pair of channel lock pliers or these are catfish skinners, and I'm just going to grip the skin. I'm just going to pull all the way back. And this is just one of the methods I use to clean the catfish. Once you get that skin, it's over, guys. Get it like that. Come on the other side, pull it, and we done. Now let's get it right quick. You see how we have this belly right here? There's a V angle. That's like a V angle on the belly. So I'm gonna come right underneath that V, and I'm just gonna enter out. Make a little slash like in a V underneath the belly, and empty out that belly. Right there. Right there. And just like that, guys, we finished with this catfish. No fancy knives, no nothing. You see all the innards right there? Pull that head back. Break it off. Boom. You're clean. Just a little dressing. And that catfish, my friend, is done. One of many ways to clean catfish, guys. This way you get a little bit more meat, but I have a method that's even faster than that. It's your boy. Check me out.